Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw money from branded surveys. So first you need to accumulate some points. Every 100 points equals $1, so 500 points will be $5. You can earn points by completing surveys, daily posts, and other tasks on the platform. Now how can we withdraw this money? You want to go to the rewards section, so you will log into your account and navigate to rewards or payouts, which should be located in your dashboard. Then we will select our payout method, so you can use PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards. Choose the payout method that best suits your needs. For PayPal, ensure that your branded service account is linked to a valid PayPal email. For branded pay or bank transfers, make sure to provide the correct bank account details for direct deposit. The second to last step will be requesting the withdrawal, so you will select the payout method and enter the amount of points you wish to redeem. Confirm your withdrawal request by following the on-screen prompts. The last step will be waiting for the payment, so payments through PayPal typically take 1 to 3 business days. Bank transfers will take a little bit longer, up to 5 days, and gift cards are usually sent electronically within a few hours to a day. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.